You know how to look for little bugs and stuff when they're down there picking in the grass. Picking and scratching. Watch their feet.
Hey, running.
Yeah, they do. They love running.
Only one boy here.
Let's go down and see their
This
house.
guy.
The rooster is the boy
That's
chicken.
the boy.
The boy.
Everybody else girls.
And do you know which ones lay the eggs?
And I'll show you where the eggs are. Come on down this way. You walk with us. We're on the farm now.
So, build a chicken tractor
Oh, yeah.
that he can move from place to place, except then he built a greenhouse around it. So
Giving them grain and free range. And,
Hey, we're coming down.
look at them jumping up and down.
And they know how to fly. Watch. They put their wings out.
They're choice because the students aren't going to want to step in the door. Day of the party, and Christina says, "Where are the chickens?" I said, "Oh, and sure enough, the students were fascinated. Just eating dinner among she had a pedicure appointment, Bill.
Why is he peeking?
peeking out.
See?
Picking up. I think
Why you can't pick one?
2, 3.
I want to pick one.
May I pick one of those?
Yeah.
we need to.
Here. Yeah. I'll gently.
So does that mean that like 6 different chickens use that nest box to?
This is one of my chickens. Wendy, can you get that little thing of feed right there?
Here, hold on. Hold on.
Wi-Fi, hold on.
Hi. What's this?
Oh, blue one.
It's almost like it.
He startled you?
It's okay.
Come
Yeah.
over and say hi to my chicken. You can pet.
Why?
I'll hold
Because
this
she's
while
soft.
you pet.
She's a soft pet. Feathers suck. Feathers is what she has. Sometimes I talk to my chickens too.
Oh, she is so soft. Have you ever touched soft?
And feel under here, right here. Is it hot?
That one took the bucket. She took the whole bucket away.
That's how it goes around here. We get a little excitement once in a
You know
while.
what happened? She tried
This-
He did what?
She did what?
You didn't.
Where he going?
Let's ask. Where are you going, chicken?
There we go. Now,
Where'd he
go like this. Watch. There it is. There's our 1, 2, 3, 4 eggs.
2.
Look, count. 1, 2, 3, 4. We already have 4. That's a good number of eggs for 3 people.
Now I can roll it. I can mix the eggs.
You want to mix them up?
Mm-hmm.
It's a spring, so it goes up and down.
Why am I mixing the eggs?
We're going to pour it in. Are you ready to help me? Can you hand that little ball to Eden?
What are we having for breakfast?
Coffee.
And?
That you helped make.
Eggs.
Can you say thank you, Diane and Bill?